Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a new feature that's going to be a game changer for small business owners and solopreneurs like you and me. It's Chatgpt and Canva integration. For those who don't know, Canva has been used as a design tool for millions of small business owners and solopreneurs. But with this new integration, it takes it to the next level. You literally can type out your design. Let's jump right in and see how we do this.
First of all, this integration requires ChatGPT Plus. This is a premium version that allows plugin access. It costs me about $20 US, which is about $27 Canadian. And so if you're still using the free version of ChatGPT, you'll need to level up to use this feature. The good news is both Canva and this Canva plugin are absolutely free. So the first thing we're going to do is click on the settings icon at the bottom of the window, and we're going to click on settings and beta. We're going to go to beta tab, and we're going to go to plugins, and we're going to make sure our plugins are enabled. This will allow the plugin option to become visible at the top of your new chat. We open a new window, we go to GPT-4, we scroll down and click on plugins. You will have to install it from the plugin store. Click on plugin store, and in the store, search for Canva and click install. And there you go, you successfully put those Canva and your ChatGPT Plus account together. Now, if you like the content in my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on tips and tricks to grow your business or personal brand. Let's do a quick demo, and we're going to make a social media post. Again, remember, we want to make sure that plugin option in the dropdown has been chosen and that the Canva plugin has been checked. Let's say I want to create a social media post for an upcoming Halloween sale. All I need to do is type something like design an Instagram post for my Halloween sale. ChatGPT instinctively knows to trigger the Canva plugin, and you'll have multiple design options to choose from. Now, do the customization. Click on the preview link, and this will take you straight to the Canva editor. You don't even need to be logged in. Here you can edit text, colors, and even add new elements or remove them. Everything is edible. Add your business name, use your brand colors, whatever you need to do. Then you're ready to download it for posting. If you want to save your design, you'll need to sign in. However, the Canva free option is amazing, and you should really have this as part of your digital toolkit. Plugin isn't limited to just social media posts. You can create logos, video templates, reels, pretty well whatever you want. Simply instruct ChatGPT and it will design it, and you get some pretty awesome templates to start off with.
Now, you might be wondering why this matters to you as a small business owner or solopreneur. The combination of Canva and Chat is a game changer. It will take your marketing to the next level. And here's why. It's time saving. As a small business owner, your time is precious. This integration allows you to generate high quality social media posts, videos, reels, YouTube, all with simple text commands. You can have an entire month worth of content lined up in a matter of hours rather than days. It's cost effective. Hiring a graphic designer might not be in your budget. This solution offers you a budget-friendly option, giving you professionally designed templates that you can easily customize. Consistency. Maintaining a consistent brand image is crucial for any business. Solopreneur, small business, you need that consistency. The other thing is versatile. Doesn't matter what you need to create design-wise, this integration's got you covered. You can do a customer testimonial video. You can do a product launch video. The possibilities are endless. It's easy. You can easily share these designs. Say you do have a team member that can help you out in your small business, or maybe you're a solopreneur with a virtual assistant. Easily share your designs. And of course, no design skills needed. You do not have to have design experience. And I'm not discounting designers. I'm just saying if you're a solopreneur and you need to get some stuff done and you don't have the budget or the resources to create these amazing visual elements, this will do it for you. As long as you can type out what you want, it will do it for you. It really is like having an additional member on your team. So if you're a small business owner or a solopreneur, you definitely don't want to miss out on this. And you also don't want to miss out on signing up for my newsletter. The link is below in the video description box. And of course, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any tips or tricks I have about growing your business or personal brand. And that's it for today. And I hope this new integration saves you time, elevates your social media account, and of course, grows your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.